Okay guys, so a really highly requested video, and that is how do I actually turn current music into a passive earning app. So guys, let's get right into it, right after the intro. Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, as that would be very much appreciated. And of course, for all of you guys that are already subscribed, thank you guys for tuning in once again. And yes guys, we are back with another video, so let's actually get right into it. How to turn current music, the app, into a passive earning app for all you phone farmers out there, or just anybody who uses current music. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm assuming all of you guys out there are very familiar with this screen. And I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who's, you know, annoyed by the screen. So let me just show you how to get rid of it passively. Alright guys, so the very first thing we gotta do is actually grab an auto clicker. Link is in the description for you guys. It will bring you guys directly to the app. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Once you guys go ahead and actually download that, we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Now what you guys are gonna do after setting up this app, which is very simple, you guys will be guided through it. All you guys have to do is actually click that enable multi-target mode, just like that, and then click new configuration, and that little taskbar right there should pop up. Alright guys, so now we're ready to actually get current music to run passively, like I said in the previous video. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright guys, so once you're on this page right here, all you guys have to do is press that plus button, and you guys will see that little circle right there pop up, and you guys can just drag that to the watch ad section. Now that is where that, you know, the first circle will stay. And what you guys want to do right now is actually just tap the circle. Don't click the watch ad, just click the circle. Sorry. From there, what you guys want to do is actually go ahead and change this to seconds, and just put that as, we'll go with a nice 40 seconds. Now once you guys have done that, all you have to do is press that play button real quick, and it should click by itself, as you guys can see right there, and it will play an ad. Now this ad is only going to be 4 seconds long, if I'm not mistaken. So what you guys want to do is actually go ahead and pause it once the ad is done. Now the ads are not always 5 seconds, so make sure you guys go ahead and actually make that first circle a 40-second delay, just in case there's a longer ad. Next, what you guys want to do is click that plus button once again, and it will bring up a second circle, as you guys can see right there. From there, we're going to go ahead and drag that to the top right corner if we can. There we go. And that is on the X, which is usually on that side. So what we want to do next is actually click that circle. Also, just a quick pointer guys, while you're doing this, be very careful. Do not click that, you know, exit the ad, because otherwise, yeah, you're gonna have to wait until you get that screen again, which is gonna be around 45 minutes. Okay, so continuing on, after you guys click that second button, what you guys want to do is change this to seconds once again, and we're just gonna leave it at either 10 seconds, or usually I put it at 7. It's up to you guys, whatever you guys feel like. And from there, all we have to do, click that OK button. There we go guys, and just gonna run the thing again. So it's gonna click on the ad by accident, because, well, that's what the first tap does. And then we're gonna wait 40 seconds. Yes, we're gonna wait here for 40 seconds. But for you guys, it'll be instant, so I'll see you guys once this timer is done. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys saw that, but literally guys, I've sat here for 40 seconds and waited for it to click that button right there, then that button, and now we can add our final button. Go ahead and actually click that plus button, drag that to the top left corner right there, as you guys can see. There we go. That is where the other X is. So we're gonna go ahead and play this. Oh wait, no, my bad, totally forgot guys. We need to do one more thing. Click on that third circular shape. It's really just a circle, but next go ahead and change this to minutes, and on the third one you're gonna go ahead and actually change this to 45 minutes. Actually, you know what, whoops, let's go ahead and make this 50 and change that to minutes. There we go guys. That's usually how long it takes before one of these screens pop up, which is kind of annoying. Honestly, I would rather them just, you know, obviously take the screen off and just have it continue running. That would be best, but here's your way around it, boys. So once you've done that, all you have to do is now, the final step, click that play button, and we are off, boys. Now it is currently going to continue passive earnings, and there we go, boys. So this is literally how it'll work. So now all you guys have to do is plug it in and literally just leave it be. So yeah, that's how you get that passive income. Once in a while, like I said, every 50 minutes or so, an ad will pop up saying watch ad right here. This will click it, and then it will exit out of the app, or the ad, sorry, and then it will close out that little loading page. And then you guys are back to earning even more points. So there we go, guys. That is how we do it. Alright guys, so that is how you make current music run passively. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below for me. Thank you guys so very much. I'll see you guys on the next video, which will be coming out very soon. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, thank you guys so very much for watching. Peace out for now. Whoop.